Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, SciTaker. In this video, I'm going to do the benchmark test for the first time after unboxing the OnePlus Nord 2T device. As you can see, this is a OnePlus Nord 2T which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration, and which has got the Dimensity 1300 processor. As you can clearly see, Dimensity 1300 processor in this phone. Let's find out what will be the overall benchmark score we can actually expect in the OnePlus Nord 2T without using any kind of high performance mode, without any kind of RAM expansion. Right now I did disable the complete RAM expansion. I'm not using any kind of RAM expansion at this moment. And let's go to the battery option, and right now I did disable even the high performance mode. I'm not using any kind of high performance mode. Let's find out, without using any kind of high performance mode, what will be the temperatures it will increase and how much high score we can actually expect in the OnePlus Nord 2T. And right now I did not install much kind of applications as well. As you can clearly see, I did not install many applications at this moment. And this is my first time doing the test as well, friends, in the OnePlus Nord 2T and with the Dimensity 1300 processor. And let's find out, without any high performance mode, without any RAM expansion, how much high scores this phone can score and what will be the overall temperatures, how much high temperatures the phone can reach up to. We'll try to see all those aspects in this video. And stay tuned for more updates, friends. Definitely I'll try to upload a lot of videos on this particular device as well in the next upcoming days. So let me know in the comments what are the videos you want me to upload on the OnePlus Nord 2T. I'll definitely upload the video as soon as possible. Let me know in the comment section below. And I'm really excited to see, friends, how much high scores we'll be expecting the Dimensity of 1200. So let's find out without any high performance mode. So that's what I'm trying to do. Maybe in the next video I'll try to use the high performance mode. Then we'll try to see with and without what's going on in this device. Because in the OnePlus Nord 2, it's like that. Without any high performance mode, the scores used to be very less. But with high performance mode, in the OnePlus Nord 2, it used to be very high. Let's find out whether the difference is kind of maintaining in the 2T or not in this Dimensity 1300 chipset. That's what I'm going to check in this video. And I'll be back after some time, friends. I'm expecting the score anywhere between close to 6 lakhs, 50,000, somewhere around that. Above 6 lakhs it should be there. And right now you can see the benchmark passing is about 46%, and the temperatures did reach about 33-34 degrees Celsius. Not bad. So I can definitely say that at this moment 33 and 34 degrees Celsius at this point. And I'm going to be back after some time just to check the temperatures, what's happening in this OnePlus Nord 2T. Right now Antutu benchmark percentage is about 74%, and the temperature is about 34 degrees Celsius, so which is not bad at this moment again. So it's increasing much high temperatures. Right now, as you can see, friends, we are kind of reaching close to the end of the test results in the OnePlus Nord 2T, and we'll try to find out what will be the high scores in the OnePlus Nord 2T, how much it can actually increase, how much we can actually get when compared with the previous OnePlus Nord 2. And the temperatures right now seems to be kind of 33 degrees Celsius. If you try to look at the overall temperatures on this one, 33 is showing at this moment, but that's not bad. Finally, friends, the phone did score only about 8,81,000. I mean 5,81,000, as you can see. So which is kind of similar to the OnePlus Nord 2. So this is a kind of same thing, friends, which has happened with the previous OnePlus Nord 2. Same thing is happening even in the OnePlus Nord 2T as well. Like without any high performance mode, the scores are slightly less, as you can see, without any high performance mode. But if you use high performance mode, the scores will be definitely pretty high in the OnePlus Nord 2T. And next video I'll try to definitely do the test using with the high performance mode. Then we'll try to find out the results, what's going on. Until then, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching and bye.